you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's World. So today is my birthday and I'm going to make a special ice cream. It's jackfruit ice cream, my favorite. So the ingredients you will need for that. The main ingredient, jackfruit, ripe jackfruit, 1 cup. Then we need milk, half liter. Then wheat powder, a mix of wheat powder and milk powder. Each 3 tablespoons. Milk powder is optional. 5 tablespoons sugar. First we are going to mix the mix of wheat powder and milk powder into a paste by adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk. Like you can add like 3 tablespoons and then just mix it, then add the rest. Mix it gently. Make a smooth fine paste without any lumps. So now I mixed it and made it a fine paste. Now we'll boil the milk and add this mixture. Now we will heat the milk and add 5 tablespoons sugar. Milk is hot. Now let's add the wheat powder mix. Now you have to mix it. Now the milk is boiled. See the consistency. Now let's off the flame. Wait until the milk is completely cool. Our milk and wheat powder mixture is completely cooled down. I kept it in the fridge for half an hour. Now let's grind the jackfruit into a fine paste. Our jackfruit paste is ready. Now add the milk mix. Add it gradually. Grind it again. Now our ice cream batter is ready. Let's pour it into the mold. I have a popsicle mold. If you don't have a popsicle mold, it's okay. You can use like a box like this. So let's start pouring. Before that, I am going to add some decorations, and because it will make, this is our homemade tutti frutti. We made this in a video. Now I added the tutti frutti. Let's add the batter. Do not fill it too much because you need to leave some space for the stick. I have some more batter left, so I'm going to use this mold and pour it. keep it inside the freezer for 8 hours. With one butter you can make kulfi and ice cream. So now let's keep it in the freezer for 8 hours. After 8 hours, let's see if the ice cream is ready. So it is hard. So now it's time to serve. So you can use a spoon. So I put the ice cream in the serving bowl. Now for decoration, I am adding some Hershey's strawberry syrup. Now let's check on the kulfi. Kulfi pista. Look at the perfect. It's so perfect. Let's put it on the plate. See the tutti frutti that we put in.
It's hard to break.
I'm going to take another one.
It's yellow one. It doesn't open. It's hard.
Now let's check on the kulfi.
Oh no!
The third.
Oh, no.